Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to stitch videos on TikTok. Here are some steps to stitch videos on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Find the video you want to stitch with. Tap the share icon, arrow pointing right, on that video. From the menu, choose Stitch if the creator allows it. Use the slider to choose up to 5 seconds of that video. Tap Next once you've selected the portion. Now, record your own video that will follow the stitched clip by holding the red record button. Tap the check mark when you're done recording. Use editing tools to add text, effects, or sounds in the right panel if you prefer to. Tap Next again to go to the posting screen. Here, add your caption, hashtags, and privacy settings. Then hit Post to share your stitched video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.